Hey guys, what's up? I am Hiroshi from WebStylePress.com. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, I share tutorials at this channel that can help you with your software engineering skills. If you want to learn and grow in this area, join this channel by hitting subscribe button and bell icon. How can we change YouTube channel URL? By default, you get long YouTube channel URL and you cannot change it before you get your first 100 subscribers. As you can see, we have got this channel and this is the URL like youtube.com/channel/ and there's a long string in the URL. How can we change it? So long URL is hard to remember and share. A custom short URL is easy to remember and share. It can also be used to support your business branding. We recently hit 100 subscribers and I thought it would be great to take this opportunity to show you guys how can you change your YouTube channel URL. Let's do it together. So this is our channel WebStylePress.com. I would like to change this URL and I would like to reflect this name in the URL. So let's click at this icon and from here your channel and well, this is my channel and we will go to the YouTube studio. Let's go to the YouTube studio. And as you can see, we hit 100 subscribers. To all my viewers and subscribers, thank you very much. So this is our dashboard. This is our channel dashboard. And we are going to change the URL for the channel. So we will click at the settings down at the bottom at the left side here, settings, and here are our settings and general, channel, upload defaults. So let's try channel, and here we have got this thing, feature eligibility, and we have got default features enabled, that is upload videos, create playlists and add collaborators and new videos to playlist. And here are the features that require phone verification, that those are also enabled, that include videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and appealing content ID claims. And here is the status and features. Let's click this. Let's see what is in this area. So here are more details for our channel and things I can enable, and it is showing me that I am eligible for certain things and not eligible for other things. And here is the custom URL box, and right now it is not enabled, so let's enable it. Enable. It will bring me to the account advanced page, advanced settings page. Set up YouTube exactly how you want it. All right, user ID, this is my ID and this is channel ID. So here is the custom URL. So I cannot change this thing. I cannot change the custom ID. I cannot change the user ID. It is not editable. And here is the custom URL. You are eligible for the custom URL. Claim it here. All right, let's claim it. Get a custom URL. Here's how you will look on YouTube. youtube.com C. C means perhaps company, or no, it means channel. youtube.com C/WebStylePress. I like it. And this is exactly how I want it to be. This URL is short and it reflects my branding in the channel name, in the channel URL. So select an option to see how you will look on channel. So I can select the WebStylePress, that is the name of my channel, and I can also select the WebStylePress as a suffix of your choosing, right? If we click here, oh no, I do not want this. youtube.com/WebStylePress, add a few characters. I can add a few more characters. I just need the name in the channel, so let's change it. And click it here again. You are eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. So here it is again. So let's change the URL. Are you ready? Let's hit the change URL button. Alright, so it says that in order to get a custom URL, you must agree to the terms of service. Alright, let's agree and then change the URL. Confirm choice, WebStylePress. Yep. So it redirected me here, and now if I click at my channel, it will still show me this string. But if let's change it, let's use youtube.com/c and WebStylePress. youtube.com/c/WebStylePress. Let's see what happens. And here is my channel, and this URL is not case sensitive, as it was showing me in the settings that it was like this. Web S was capital, P was capital, and it will work like that, or it will work with small letters as well. So WebStylePress. So looks pretty neat, right? youtube.com/c, C means channel, I guess, and /WebStylePress. So this address is small. It will help me in the branding of my channel, and it is my channel name, WebStylePress, and I am happy to have it. So once again, I want to thank my subscribers who made it possible for me to change the URL of my channel. And you can change the URL of the channel, I guess 3 times in 12 months, if I'm not wrong. You can confirm it and correct me if I'm wrong. I guess 3 times in 12 months you can change the URL of your channel, so you are not stuck with that. You can change it again if there is some mistake in the URL, or you change your mind and you want to change the channel URL. You can do so again. So it was a little tip from me to change your YouTube channel URL. And let me show you again. This is our dashboard for the channel, and you will click at the settings and you will go to the channel tab, and in the channel tab go to the features eligibility tab, and then status and features. Click at the status and features, and here is the custom URL. By going here, now it is enabled for us, WebStylePress, right? And it is enabled for us, and it is reflecting our name in the channel, and you can enable it from here. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything or you have something to add, you can comment down below. Ask questions related to this topic. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media, and that is important, guys, because I share sometimes different stuff at Twitter and Facebook page. So join us, join our Facebook page and Twitter as well, and also LinkedIn, and links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates, and I will see you in the next video.